Guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you some of the last of the best zero turns I think was ever made. This is a 2014 Kubota ZD331 with a 72-inch deck. This unit has 1,300 and, 55 hours on it. It is an original clean machine. Was a one-owner piece, not in a commercial setting. This thing is very nice. It is very straight. It is very original. We have just done a full service completely all over this machine. All filters and oils have been changed, deck going through. Side discharge chute is there and complete and intact. Brand new Kubota OEM blades installed. Folding roll bar, suspension seat. Guys, the big thing with these 331s, non-emissions unit. These are 32 horse, I guess what they are. I have two of these we run here at our own place for mowing, and they're an absolute amazing mower. You never run out of power, and you will mow as fast as you can stay in the seat. Great machines. You'll see these with 4,000 and 5,000 hours on them. But under the hood, we're going to start you there, take you completely around this mower. We're going to start it, run it for you, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Guys, under the hood, this is going to be powered by a Kubota I believe these are 1305, three-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs great. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Again, when I say we do a full service here, I can't be any more honest than we do a complete and full service. Engine oil, hydraulic filter, both fuel, air, deck, anything it needed on the gauge wheels has been taken care of and fixed. Again, very clean mower. Under the engine compartment, you will see everything here is nice, straight, and dry. The only thing, guys, that we have ordered for this, every once in a while that starter solenoid misses. We're going to go ahead and replace the starter so that it's taken care of for the customer. So if you are looking for an incredible mower, I have one that has almost 2,800 hours on it, and it mows every week. They're just a very, very good, very reliable machine. Sheet metal is in beautiful condition. Deck itself, very, very nice. Decals are original on it, which you can see. I chose to leave this way. It tells the tale of the machine. Worst part on the whole mower is up front here at this black hood. We did not paint it. Again, I wanted to let it original so somebody could see the truth of what it is. All the pins are there. This does have your pivoting style axle. Underneath here, going to see gearbox, idler underneath there. Deck pan's in nice shape. Show them close up the hour meter gauges. So to buy a mower like this and put it in its place is going to be a ZD1611, and you are like 28 grand for a new ZD1611. So unreal. But here we go. And there you can see what that starter does. Again, these are an amazing mower. They work absolutely wonderful. Hydro is excellent. Deck's beautiful, quiet. Again, hydraulic deck lift. You go over here, all you have to do is turn that to where you want that for your mower deck height. And guys, that's all there is to it. Doesn't creep. Just an absolutely wonderful working machine. Again, ZD331, as far as I'm concerned, again, one of the best mowers that they made. They make the ZD1211, which was a replacement for this, but they're only 24.8 horsepower. There's a lot more horsepower in here in a 72-inch deck than there is in a 72 ZD1211. Very fuel efficient, very tough mower. If you're looking for a good mower, something you're ready to go to work with, here's something to take a look at. And literally, you've got years upon years upon years of running this machine. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.